You know the meaning of extreme dirt? That's extreme dirt. कुछ नहीं कर सकते. घर पे ना there is this renovation thing going on because of the marriage, which is soon, and there is we are testing out our 360 camera. Ayyare. It's flexing and it's moving. I'm not sure. It's flexing and moving. Hope we get a good footage. We did try to clean our bikes once, but it resulted in absolute nothing. Okay, so we reached our destination and no auto cancelling indicators. Old bike, someone take it. Okay, we are testing out our 360 camera. I've got my friend's GoPro on my helmet, and Rohit's got the new Insta 360 on his helmet, and he's trying to vlog, but we are actually facing few difficulties while shooting with the 360 because it is not accepting the mic inputs properly. But let's be hopeful, and we did find out a solution, but that solution is all the way in UK or in the US. So lucky for us, couple of my friends are coming down to India in the next month, so I can order to their place. So regardless, there is no fuel in my bike. The bike is in this condition. After all the mess, I'll probably give the bike for a very deep clean wash, and also we are actually planning to change the chain and all, and after doing all that, we will probably think about selling the triple, and I'm pretty sure that will happen only after the marriage. But let's see. Hey, kya hai? Look, my handle is here, the camera is there. What am I doing? I can keep mount the camera there too. रोज सुनता कहाँ मेरी बात. We actually asked one of our friend to lend us his GoPro 8. So all our previous accessories are mounting directly to it.
Or whatever is not stolen is mounted to it.
Oh yeah.
So whatever we have is mounted. So that is there. That setup is there. So we are actually testing the 1-inch sensor as well, which is on this particular helmet.
The camera is good, the angle is good, but the mic setup is not.
Yeah. So we're trying all possibilities now. This was the setup which I tried. I just copied the file. Unfortunately, there was no audio, zero audio. So I have another trial run which I will do it after Srujan actually is going to the gym in a little bit. So I'll do another test run with that mic. Oh, too much of testing is happening, guys. I don't know why is it taking. It's pain. What we are going to do now is enough of all this. We want to relax, thoda.
Oh, and by the way, the house is in such a mess. I guess, I mean,
all of you are aware of it.
You saw the bikes. You saw the bike. I demonstrated it. धूल तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. It's good that Ducati and Africa Twin are not here right now. Probably
it is sad that the rest of the bikes are in that condition because we can't do anything.
It's going to take
these
one
bikes
more
are dusted every day. In spite of that, it is that kind of dust which is happening every day on them.
And so can't help it. But
till the end of this month, it is like this.
End of this month, no, 1 week.
That is end of the month.
1 week, Ray.
Do what? Okay, whatever. So you know what? Again, we'll have a battle between Rohit and Srujan today.
After a long time. Oh, by the way,
we had these battles in the lockdown.
लॉकडाउन से याद आया, अभी बहुत कोविड केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं एंड वी आर स्टेइंग होम फ्रॉम quite a long time right now, and
extremely careful, guys. They're like huge spike. As in, we are leading the world in the number of cases, which is very unfortunate. So
the other day it was like what, 2.7 lakhs?
yeah, so
In one
be
day.
extremely cautious.
And if at all you're going to all those rallies and
religious places right now is the time, honestly,
not
to think
advisable.
twice, you know,
Yeah,
because
not advisable.
they are unbelievable at the number of cases which are going. So other than that, be careful, stay indoors. If you need to go out, wear your mask. I would advise you actually even wear a face shield if you're going out as well.
And all that things keeping aside, we are home now. In the initial lockdown, the first lockdown, we wanted the PlayStation and the TV, but second lockdown I think is almost here. But
Because it has just been announced in the news that Delhi is going to have a 6-day lockdown from tomorrow. That is.
so now we have our TV setup, our PS5 setup, and we
Yeah.
also downloaded F1. You guys know of it. And I got a lot of comments, a lot of messages saying that they want to see as a battle between you and me on
Team Rohit, Team Srijan, get lost.
So we will do 3 quali test runs,
Okay.
and third one will be the final,
Okay.
just to know the track. And it's going to be a 10 lap race.
Oh, okay.
And the players can choose which car or which driver they want to.
But we'll try to do in the same car so that we'll have a level
My
playing field.
wish.
Whatever.
And
So
can.
we'll see who wins there.
Now we are playing F1 2020, and as a challenge, before doing anything, before selecting any team, you guys have to pick a side, whether it's going to be Team Rohit or Team Srijan. So I am going with Mercedes, and
Rohit is as well going with Mercedes because by far 2020 Mercedes was the fastest car. And we are not good at this game.
and I've taken Hamilton.
Rohit is good as.
Track selection, man.
We'll select a track which we have never raced in. And in fact, I haven't played Formula 1 in many years. As in the last Formula 1 game I played was when even the what do you call it, the copyrights for the names of all the drivers and all were not even given. So Michael Schumacher was Shimmy Dicky in the game which I played. So after that I'm playing now. And we're really sorry for all the background noises because house is still under renovation.
Okay. Sao Paulo, Brazil.
Okay.
And we are having we can only select one shot qualification, and we cannot select any practice sessions. I have no idea how, and I have no idea why.
We'll do that later.
And for qualifications, we're going to have 3 sessions.
Three laps. First 2 laps is going to be trial. And the third one, no matter what position we qualify, is going to be the final one.
And the race will be 25% of the actual race, and AI difficulty will be 40, which is medium.
Raining, yes, it's raining, boys.
Oh,
It's raining, boys. No. Slicks and rain. No. Professional pole for Srujan. Oh shit, dude. That's a 16-second pit stop.
16?
No, 9.4 seconds stop time. If I was entering the pits, I would damage my car.
Intundendra pit.
Freaking long.
You're like right in front of me.
That must have overheated. Gone. Seriously? I cried. I hate rain. Why does it have to rain? I was
I'm making a turn at 30 miles per hour.
He's 16 out of 18. I crashed. There was somebody other who crashed as well. I'm like, I couldn't even get any grip with wet tires. Maybe it was a wrong
playing
choice
with
of
hard
tire and I was
tires.
too fast into the turn and couldn't block.
Just for reference, my best time when it was dry and when my tires were good enough, my time was 1 minute 15 seconds.
Mine was 1:14.
And with wet, right now it's 1:42. Imagine.
Vlog. No.
Vlog.
No.
Vlog.
Why?
Hold the camera.
No.
Hold the camera. I need to show you.
Why? Oh why?
Okay, we qualified. Rohit qualified first in the qualification. I qualified second, and then we had a change of strategies and all. Rohit, after the first 10 laps, he went on to medium tires, and I went on to hard tires. And उसके बाद it started raining. पता नहीं कहाँ से generate हो गया rain. Rohit skid and he crashed into the wall. Because of that, he got disqualified.
DNF, did not finish. But mine was the fastest lap in the game. So I get 1 point. You get 0 points.
So what?
Fastest lap.
Yeah,
among our race you won, but still whatever I won.
And my front wing got damaged. Even I slipped, but luckily ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ था. I just crashed into another car, and I qualified 16th.
You didn't qualify. You finished.
I finished 16th.
So
we are still continuing playing F1.
unfortunately, यार क्या बोले यार.
And
Crazy.
Chaitanya Thigala started a voice note.
So chalo, we are gonna play with them as well. We'll record with them in another video. Abhi chalo, it's time for us to play this game. Have a little more fun. The rest of the footage is actually being copied as we speak. So this is where I'm gonna say bye bye, good night, see you in the next video. Stay home, be safe. Till the next time.
Peace.
Love you all. Bye bye.